Core Products Better Binder postpartum support was designed by a physical therapist with over 40 years' experience in women's health and orthopedics. The versatile and shape-adaptive Better Binder holds and hugs the post-operative belly, remodels lymphedemic bellies, and gives bariatric patients comfort and control. It helps support back muscles and stabilizes excessive joint motion in the pelvis, spine, or ribs. After pregnancy, Better Binder helps empower abdominal muscles and back, stabilizes excessive joint motion in the pelvis, and remodels the belly. It can be worn over or under clothing. The latex-free elastic is also soft but strong with perfect stretch, and edges won't cut in or fold over. Thank you from your friends at Core Products, where we've been making lives more comfortable since 1988.